Today, we're diving deep into the Nikon D500, a professional-grade DSLR that's been a favorite among wildlife, sports, and action photographers since its release. Design build quality. The Nikon D500 is built like a tank, rugged magnesium alloy body with full weather sealing. It weighs 860 grams, body only, making it solid in the hand but not overly heavy for a DSLR. The deep grip feels secure, especially when paired with long telephoto lenses. Buttons are well placed with backlit controls, perfect for shooting in dark environments. Image quality. The 20.9 MP sensor strikes a balance between resolution and speed. While it doesn't hit ultra-high megapixel counts, it's perfect for action shooters who need fast readout and smaller file sizes. Dynamic range is excellent, with deep shadows and strong highlight recovery. High ISO performance is impressive, clean images up to ISO 6400 and usable results even at ISO 12800. Video quality. The Nikon D500 was one of the first APS-C DSLRs to introduce 4K UHD video recording. 4K footage is crisp and detailed, though limited to a 1.5x crop, on top of the APS-C crop. It supports external mic and headphone jacks, making it a good choice for videographers. Overall, the Nikon D500 is still a beast in 2025. While mirrorless cameras have taken over, the D500 remains one of the most capable DSLRs ever made in the APS-C category. If you're into wildlife, sports, or fast action and prefer the DSLR experience with an optical viewfinder, the D500 is a camera that won't disappoint. Thank you so much.